Assalamu alaikum everyone. Guys, I have an unfinished business with SHIB and I know that I'm going to be killing the zero. I have to kill the zero. It's my mission. I'm going to kill the zero. Doesn't really matter what people think. And by the way, I have my birthday in 21 days or maybe I think 24 days. And I'm actually laying the channel for people who are viewing my channel that can you make me push to 30,000 subscribers? I'm already at nearly 24, but I need those 6,000 within 24 days. Is that possible? That would be amazing. That would be a nice birthday gift. Now, thing is, I knew that we've talked about SHIBA. SHIBA is amazing, looking good. And yesterday we started, signs of a move to the upside. We saw SHIB coming up all the way to 29.28. Keep in mind, SHIB is really meant to come like this and then go up to nearly 3803 hopefully in the future. So I'm gonna leave you with this. Here's your channel. You went to the downside, you broke up, you came down, you passed the retest, and you're moving up here. How you go there, you don't know. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. All right. So eventually that's where you're meant to come up here. Bumpy journey, move to the upside, and that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love, peace.